After what I've seen, now I can confidently say that we cannot trust Somali spaza shop owners with our kids. Because in Somalia, the age of consent is not even 18, it's not even 16, it's not even 13. You can even go below that. When the government tried to change the law and make the age of consent to be 18, the men they were in uproar. They were like, no, we are not having that. So basically, Somalia doesn't have a real age of consent, which is really weird. I had to find out what's going on. So Somalia had some articles that were changed in their constitution about children and all of that. So they changed Article 9. They are saying that Somali children are Muslims and their right to change religion will not be recognized, which is fair. Article 10 says parental authority remains paramount and no external body can override it, which is fair. Of course, it's common in many countries. Article 21A. The Charter's blanket ban on marriage under 18 conflicts with Islamic law, which permits marriage based on religious criteria rather than age. That's very scary. Anyways, let's continue. Article 24A. Somalia will not recognize adoption in the Western legal form that will uphold kafala, custodianship, in line with Islamic practice. And then Article 2A. The Charter fixes adulthood at 18, but Somalia applies Islamic definition to maturity. So yeah, as you can see, that's very scary. So I had to check, what do they mean? The religious criteria rather than age, like the Islamic definition of maturity. What does that mean? In Islamic terms, a girl reaches maturity balai not solely by age, but by the onset of physical puberty, which includes menstruation, the growth of pubic hair, and the ability to conceive. While some juries suggest that an average age of 15 lunar years for the general maturity and accountability, the specific age can vary, with some differing opinions among scholars. The key is the combination of physical signs and sounds of judgment, or hashed, which is the capability to manage one's affairs, particularly financial matters. Man, this is messed up. Okay, so the thing is, Islamic traditions really clash with Christian traditions and laws. That's why, in South Africa, with us, it's different. Marriage and consent is at 18. It doesn't have to do with all of these things. So if a child has pubic hair,